2, 1. Platypus vending machine immediately grabbing 2 cubes in their system. Sashar grabbing some cubes as well. Both teams pushing it in the goals. Platypus vending machine getting another cube. Sashar also getting another cube. Knocking off some bread off the post. That was 5 points per cube. Sashar getting another cube in. 35 seconds left. You may now switch drivers. Platypus vending machine getting some more cubes in the goal. 25 seconds left. You must switch.
One more game.
Yes. All right. The Platypus with 2 cubes in their system. They're looking to score this goal.
Oh no.
And Sashar drops one in. Platypus going over.